How to block unknown number in Truecaller. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Truecaller. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings, and here, go ahead and click on Block. You will get to this page right here, where you will be able to block unknown numbers. Scroll down to this section right here. From there, turn on the Block Hidden Numbers option, which will allow you to block any number that is shown as unknown or private. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to block unknown number in Truecaller. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.